Hey guys, this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry, and today I want to do an unboxing with you guys of the silver green Moissanite bracelet. So I have it here in the FedEx bag. I already took my information off the bag, obviously, because I don't want to give my address out to anybody. So we're just going to get right into it, and we're going to tear open the bag and see what we got. Flip it over. And I'm just going to go to town on it right here. Rippity rip. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Seems a little big. We'll see what happens here. Whole lot of tape on it. Must have checked it out already. See it. So we're just going to go in this. And, oh man, this got tape like crazy. They bubble wrapped it really well. I guess that's a good thing. So, it doesn't get messed up. Bear with me, guys. Like I said, I ripped through all this stuff. Okay, got into it. Wow, so you can already see it comes in a cool little carry bag right there. Well, we'll see if it's even in there, guys. Yeah, so comes with its certificate and the little black GRA card. I don't really care too much for these things, but it's cool. It's cool I actually brought it though, for what it's worth. So that's in there, and brings its own polishing cloth, brand new. All right, and let's see what we got in here. We're just gonna do the. You guys are probably gonna see it a little bit before me. Here goes, guys. I'm gonna open it up. Oh man, thing looks fire. Gotta say. So here it comes. Of course, has that snakeskin condom thing over it, and I gotta peel it away now. So another thing to get at. But just looking at it off the top, I love the thing. So we'll see. Yeah. So I bought this. I got it at a pretty good deal. Obviously, I'm not gonna tell you guys numbers or anything like that, or the site, but I'm happy with the purchase. I'm happy with the price point. And like I said, this is base silver. And it's the blue moissanite. I'm having a really tough time getting into this thing though. I'm not gonna lie, guys. We're back. It took me quite a while to get that wrap off of it, but finally got it off. Had my son help me out. He threw it on me. Look at this thing, man. Look at how that thing hits, bro. And like I said, we got those green stones. And one thing I haven't done is test them. So I'm going to go through that and make sure they gave me what I paid for. So we'll see if these things hit. And I'm going to set it down on, try to set it down on 1. Basically the lowest thing here. Set it down on 1, and we're gonna hit these stones and see if they jump. Oh, my bad. Came off. Yep. Slow creep, but they did it. Let's try it again. Yep, not as fast as my other ones, but you stay on the stone and there we go. Yep, so it's moissanite. Like I said, they didn't hit as quick as my other stuff, but it is what I paid for, I guess. And I actually love the thing. I think it looks really, really good on me. I thought it was gonna be a little girlish, but it looks cool, man. Like, I'm totally happy, bro. Like, look at that thing. So I'll be wearing this with my moissanite necklace, my 6mm and my 5mm. So guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. With that being said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. And you saw the unboxing. You saw me wear it on the wrist profile there. And like I said, I'm happy with the purchase. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe. get in the comment sections. Get on our website, flashyjewelry.bigcartel.com. And I'll be seeing you guys soon, guys. Peace out.